Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up Google OAuth in N8N. This is an essential step if you want to connect your N8N workflows with Google products like Sheets, Docs, or Calendar, allowing automation to run smoothly and securely. Let's walk through this together. First, you'll need to go to your browser and type in the URL n8n.io. Once the page loads, enter your credentials to log in. After signing in, you'll be directed straight to your N8N dashboard. This is your main hub where all your automation workflows live. From here, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the Create Workflow button. This will take you into the workflow editor where the magic happens. Once you're inside the N8N workflow editor, you'll notice two different ways to create a workflow. You can either build it manually by selecting the Add First Step option, or you can choose to build with AI if you prefer a more guided approach. For setting up OAuth, we'll go the manual route as it gives you full control over the configuration. To set up OAuth for your N8N workflow, click on the Add First Step button. Keep in mind that this OAuth setup process typically works with Google products, so if you've already configured your OAuth credentials in the Google console, this next part will be straightforward. All you'll need to do is sign in with your Google account. Now to add the trigger and enable OAuth, click on the First Step or Trigger option. A right side panel will appear on your screen. From here, locate the search bar at the top of this panel and type in any Google product you want to connect, such as Sheets, Docs, or Calendar. For this tutorial, we'll use Google Sheets as our example. Go ahead and type in Google Sheets and add it as your workflow trigger. Once the Google Sheets trigger has been added to your workflow, look for the drop-down menu labeled Credentials to connect with. Click on this drop-down and select the option that says Plus Create New Credentials. This is where you'll link your Google account to N8N. You'll notice that the only authentication option available for this product is OAuth, which is exactly what we need. From here, the process becomes very simple. All you have to do now is sign in with your Google account. A pop-up window will appear asking you to authorize N8N to access your Google account. Follow the prompts, grant the necessary permissions, and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully set up Google OAuth in N8N, and now your workflows can securely interact with your Google products. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.